The gap between the life that you have and the life that you want is determined by your ability to break free from the identity loop that's keeping you stuck. Very simple. There's a cue. You have a cue. There's something that's directing you, triggering you to say, hey, I'm going to align with this identity. And it's either going to be your real self or your ideal self, your conditioned self or your impression self, your set self or your reset self. Listen, that identity shapes your perceptions, your beliefs, your actions, your thoughts, your emotions, your results, right? Because those thoughts, emotions, actions produce a path. Each step is ordered and it's going to produce a path that you walk down. Those results are going to be either real or ideal, the ones that you're having right now. And if you're doing something repeatedly and expecting a different result, Albert Einstein said that's insanity. Don't quote me, just, you know what I'm saying? Go to your man's Albert Einstein and have a problem with him. Anyway, if you want to change your life, you have to change that lens in what you see, that identity in what you see yourself, and what you see all things, all beliefs, all knowledge. A wise man can entertain another man's thoughts without accepting that as his own. That's not my line. That's Socrates or Plato, whatever. Listen, it doesn't matter who said it. The message is important, not the messenger. But the key is this: you have to stop going based off of what you were taught your whole life. That programming is dead. It's not going to help you grow. It's not going to push you to the next level. What you did to survive is not what you need to do to thrive. We know this saying because we've heard it too many times before. But the key fundamental truth is one simple thing. You have been following an outdated system that is not designed to help you get to the next level. It's keeping you stuck. And it's not going to allow you to have that momentum that you need to push, to pierce through the veil of what it looks like and what it needs to be for you to achieve success. You are so much more capable of other things, but you keep doing things based off of an impression of who you think you are, or what you think you're capable of, what you feel like you are actually able to do, and then you don't do anything, or you do only things based off of that limited frame of thinking or feeling, and you actually don't take actions the way you know that you're capable of doing. There's something inside of you calling out. It's telling you, I have the power, I have the energy, I can do this, but there's something holding you back. Every time you say, I'm going to start tomorrow, you don't do it. Why? Because you're not fulfilled fully. You're not aligned fully. You're not even in the right identity. You can't continue a consistency with an identity that's sabotaging itself before it even begins. You can't change the narrative of your life if you can't even change the narrative of yourself. You keep repeating old stories, thinking that it's helping you get to the next level. Old stories that are literally perceptions of how you saw them. Someone else experienced the same exact situation and seen it completely differently. And because they saw it differently, they thought about it differently, they identified with it differently, they acted on it differently, they felt about it differently, the entire results of that life from that moment forward is completely different than yours. So what happened? It's not that because your life is stuck in that frame. It's because you're stuck in that frame. You are stuck in an identity loop, and it's not your fault. It's the conditioning you were taught growing up, and you have to let it go, or nothing in your life will ever change or get better. Your life is determined, the success and the results of your life is determined by the identity you choose to embody when you take the actions you have from the opportunities you have today. That's it. That's it. That's it, man. Ips. That's it. Okay, man. That's it. I have no more for you today. Goodbye. Yo, for real, no, that's it. Like, for real, that's it. There is nothing else to it. You just have to change your identity. If you want help with that, tap in with me. I'm H for Life Coach. Go watch one of my other videos. Go watch one of my other posts. If you don't want to tap in with me, that's cool. There's plenty of other people doing it other than me, but no one's going to give it to you the way I do it. Okay? So, as always, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Peace.